Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. This is a quick and easy way to keep your documents organized and shareable. Let's get started. First, let's create or open a Google Doc that you want to upload to Google Drive. Open your browser and go to docs.google.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in by entering your Google account credentials. Once you're in Google Docs, either create a new document or open an existing one. Here is the great news. All Google Docs are automatically saved in Google Drive as you work on them. But if you want to upload the document from another source, we'll walk through that next. If you want to upload a Google Doc in another format like Word or PDF, you can download it first. Click File in the top left corner, hover over Download and select the format you want. Example, Microsoft Word, Docs or PDF. Save file to your computer. Now we're ready to upload this document to Google Drive manually. Let's upload the document you just downloaded or any other file from your computer. Just open a new tab, go to drive.google.com. Once there, click the new button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up. Find the file you want to upload from your computer, select it and click Open. The file will now upload to your Google Drive and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner. Once the upload is complete, it's a good idea to organize the file in your Google Drive. In My Drive, find the uploaded file. You can drag it into a folder or right-click on it and move it into an appropriate folder. You can also share the documents by right-clicking and selecting Get Link to share with others. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a Google Doc or any other documents to Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.